abali ku Kakosfax 256 mbaliriza na temo bali kwanga musubscribing awo oludakoro lero nzene story ya Zali ne mutabani wa Zali ono bamuyita Raphael Ssemwanga yomu ku baana Zali be yazaala mu Ssemwanga. Right now wetwogerera Zali ali South Africa jabeera omwana bwe yalabiseko ku Instagram ng'akola ka video ng'agamba nti yegomba nnyo abasajja. Actually kibeera nti omuntu bw'ayogera bw'ati kiba kitegeeza nti muli wa Ebisiyaga.
But yeah, I don't know why you guys are laughing. Nothing's funny about this. But yeah, I'm gay. I'm gay. So yeah, it took some time. I was thinking and everything, but I think I like gents. You guys might judge me. You might not think it's who I am, but in my heart, I, see gents attractive and not females. But yeah, that's just what it is, man. So if you're not some questions, you can do that if you want to. But yeah, I don't know why people are laughing. This is so funny, man.
Yavuddeyo n'ayatula nti ali Ebisiyaga. Omuvubuka ono Raphael Ssemwanga alina girlfriend we naye nga ffenna tukyebuuza ne maama we aliba akyebuuza omulenzi teyagijje okuvayo confessinga ku Instagram kuba nti maama we ekigambo kino akiwakana agamba nti omwana si muli wa Ebisiyaga. Ekyo yakyogedde abakazi abakulu basobole okumuvaako ababadde bamusindikiranga ebifaananyi eby'obuseegu ku Instagram ye.
Like I was saying, if Raphael turns out to be gay, then I'm going to support him because that is the life he has chosen. Whether you guys like it or you guys don't like it, that is going to be... Because a whole lot of people, once they are not accepted in society because they are different, we've seen so many, teenagers and people committing suicide because of their things. But for me, from my perspective as a parent, if my child turns out to be gay, I'm going to go with that. And I'm going to embrace him. I'm going to accept him. I'm going to take him as he is, because most times we cannot even change this. But right now, to set the record clear, Raphael is not gay. Ever since he started going live, ever since he does that thing, ask me any question. And I remember this has been since 2017, 2018, for something years back here. Every time he posts something, people are always asking him, are you gay? And he trolls. Raphael pranks. Raphael cracks a whole lot of jokes on Instagram and he'll be like, yeah, I'm gay. And I keep telling him, and he can be witness to this, I keep telling him, you keep saying, oh, you gay, but this shit doesn't go down well with East Africans. It's like, nah, but who am I hiding if I say? Because, I have a whole lot of women sending me DMs. Women are sending him videos of themselves, of their vajayjay. Women are literally DMing Raphael nudes. So it's like, no, I just keep saying to your people. He actually calls them my people because those are your fans. These people know him because of me. It's like, yeah, I keep telling your people I'm gay so they can get off my case. Like, mom, they're always sending me DMs. They're always asking for money and all these other women. They're like, some of them are older than you. Like, mom, I don't understand how women old like you want to be dating me. And I jokingly said maybe because I also date younger ones. It's just for jokes, So yeah, it's just for jokes. So in the process, he's like, I keep telling them I'm gay so they can just get off my case. Because, once you say you're gay, everybody doesn't want to associate with you. Women seem, just tend to run off to say, oh no, this nigga is gay. There's no way I'm going to date him.
Zali tamanyi kati agezaako kukiyitamu, agezaako okubikkirira ekitiibwa kya famire ye, naye ng'amazima gajja kubanga gavaayo. Ate nga bw'omanyi omuntu bw'aba avuddeyo n'ayogera, tewaba mazima gasinga bwe gatyo. Siyinza kuvaayo gamba nti nsalira Zali omusango nti agezaako okudifendinga famire. Kansubire naawe kabeere ggwe wandibadde ofaayo nnyo okuvaayo okudifendinga ne famire yo. Abalala bagamba nti Zali yalivuddeyo n'ayogera amazima nti mutabani we ekyo kye yayogedde kye kituufu. Singa gwabadde maama w'omuvubuka oyo, nsuubira naawe n'amazima ne wandibadde ogamanyi nga gakuli ku mutima. Ky'olina okukola kye ky'okudifendinga omuvubuka. Omuvubuka baba yavuddeyo n'ayogera bw'atyo, tukyalina ebibuuzo bingi n'okunoonyereza kukyali kungi ku nsonga eyo ate ng'alina ne girlfriend. Tutwale kya Zali kyagamba oba tutwale kya muvubuka kyayogera. Naye nga bwe twogera ku mbeera z'Ebisiyaga kigenze kitusenkenya mu nsi za Africa ezisingako obungi so nga tesi bwe kyali. Wano waliwo saga eyaliwo eya Julie Mutesaasira bwe yavaayo n'akiisinga omukazi ne balaga ne marriage certificate. Abange embeera ejja kutuuka bino nga tegakyali mawulire nga bw'osanga abeekiisinga nga mukazi ku mukazi, bw'osanga omusajja nga yeekiisinga nga musajja ku musajja, ng'otambula butambuzi n'otambula n'ogenda nekibeera nnomo. Tetumanyi kalica egenda kubanga ekuumibwa etya kubanga nze ndaba egenda maaso n'okubanga esenkenyezebwa. Nze Kakos, le microphone soja.